Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
One for manager, one for director, one for VP, one for CEO. And we will assign this to the plan profiles. Understood. And we will specify the different amounts. $1,200 for allowance. Sorry for manager or director, vice president, and CEO. Now let me create a salary plan, because I don't have it in the system. So create salary plan. Okay, and I will quickly create one. 84. I will call it as W. So I'm going to plan. Let me see if I have something for all employees. Okay, I'm not created it, but I'm just hoping some of my friends have done it. Okay, so all employees. So what does it say? It says for all employee or contingent worker type is irregular. Okay, so it's irregular employees are eligible. So that's fine, I am okay with that. Apply FTE. And I will say it is the base. Okay. So I've created a salary plan. I've created a car allowance. And I should also create a compensation grade here. Okay, so let me quickly try to do that, because I don't have it in the system. Use grade profiles. And www managers or above. Let's say OK. Or maybe management, because it is management. And in the base, we implement everything we speak. And currency is US dollars. Big currency is annual. Do I need to specify anything in the compensation page? Do I need to do that? I am going to use grade profile. So should I use anything in the compensation page? No. Good. So here let's say United States. I will be very simplistic. Base based on elementary space, okay. A eligibility rule is country, United States of America, and currency is US dollars. Frequency is annual. And what is the amount we decided? 50,000 to 80,000, right? That is what we created. And we have one more for UK. In other kingdom. Let's say the amount is base-based. And I'm just creating it quickly because we have already done this before. But it's just that it is no longer in this particular system because I'm using a different system. GPP, and the difference is annual. Okay. I have to add this using this arrow icon here, and I would say it is 40,000 to 90,000. That is the amount we used. I have to say calculate segments here. Also, I should say calculate segments. And what is the plan eligibility? We may leave it blank, because we are going to use it immediately against the job fund. Right. That's what we did. Click OK to save this. Now let me create one more compensation grade for my non-managers. Okay. Non-managers. Now that we have created eligibility rule which says non-managers, so let's say non-managers. Okay, and base pay currency is US dollars. Pick. You can see his annual. Here we will say, United States same day. For US and UK write. United States base pay. Different is base pay. Eligibility rule is same. Country, United Kingdom, United States. Okay. And the currency is US dollars. Frequencies annual. Just that the amounts are different as part of this compensation grade. Let's say, for non-managers we are going to give anything between $20,000 to $60,000. Right. This is the range of pay for non-managers, between $20,000 to $60,000. But what about the managers? You're going to get between $50,000 to $18,000. The range of pay is different. Similarly for United Kingdom. For United Kingdom, let's say, the base pay element is base pay. Okay. And the eligibility rule is country, United Kingdom. Okay. Annual amount. It is bounce. And here I will specify the amount. Let's say, for here we are going to say $20,000 to $50,000. I will calculate the segments. Right. Done. So I have created two sets of compensation grades. And each grade has two composition grade profiles. And now I have also created the allowance plan in the allowance plan. I have said that it is going to be only managers or above. Now let's put it all together. You remember that. What is the compensation package? Let's take a look at the diagram for the compensation package. What is the diagram of compensation package? The compensation package includes the guidelines and the plans. Guidelines are made of grades and grade profiles, and plans are the salary plan, allow this plan, etc. Right. So let's go ahead and create the compensation package. What is the task? To create the compensation package. It's right here. Create compensation package. Let's give it an effective date of 24th of March. Click OK. Now we will give it a name called www compensation package. Who is eligible for this compensation package? Can we say all employees? Because we are going to define one package for everybody. Maybe a bit confusing, right? So we are going to say one compensation package for everybody. And in the grade, we will select management and non-management. I will pause for a moment. I will let you understand what I am doing here. One single package. I have included both managers and non-managers. In the compensation plan, I will include the salary plan and the car allowance. Is it going to work? Is it okay? In the compensation package, you see, I can include the
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@therateuptalk.com.